ये हॉरिजॉन्टल जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस है हमारा जेल. दिस इज horizontal model of gel electrophoresis operator. This is a power supply. We can put it on up to 300 or 350 volts, and then I am putting it here now. I can make it positive or negative. This can be changed. This has we connected to the power supply gel apparatus. We can connect from outside or just take it out, connect it to this section and put the gels combs here. There are two kinds of combs, 14, this has 14 and this has 12 combs, 14 combs, and there are gel adjusting trays, one more tray is there. There are two trays of this kind, two trays of this kind, wires, and then full setup. Please do the experiment as per your books and as per manual provided. Please visit our website abron01@gmail.com.